Hello everyone, my name is Edward. I study in class 5th from Harvard International School. So today's my topic is unity is strength. So I am describing this picture, so let's start. There was a small fish in a river. They was living a very happily. They were scattered here and there. One day, big fish came into the river. She started to eat all fishes. They were very afraid. They decided to be united and make a big form of a fish. Then they attacked on a big fish. Then big fish run away from the water. Then they live happily, and this story mean is, so united we stand, divide we fall. So united we stand, divide we fall. Thank you and have a nice day.